Say hello to our brand new Isuzu V-Cross. Now you might recall that we used to have an orange one, and that orange one went everywhere with us, all over the country, and in particular it did a lot of off-roading. What we never had the chance to do was take that V-Cross on a racetrack. So what better way to celebrate the arrival of a brand new V-Cross than taking it to the home of motorsport in Zimbabwe, Donnybrook Motorsports Complex. Check this out. Raining quite a bit, all the more reason to give this car a good test. We're going into that first bend, we're going to see how this traction control works, and we're hitting that first bend at pace, 110 k's an hour, and this thing does not budge. That is unbelievable. The traction control system in these new D-Maxes is incredible. Into a tight bend now, and it doesn't matter how hard I try, this car will not spin out. It just hugs these bends incredibly well. Unbelievable technology. A reminder that this car, the V-Cross, comes with a 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine that pumps out 140 kilowatts of power. So you've got plenty of power behind you here. To the straight now. Let's see what we can do. $140, $150. Guys, if you're looking for a bucky that is incredibly versatile, that is great for around town, great as a family car, great off-road, great to take into the bush, and great around a racetrack, then you need to consider one of these. Unbelievable. I think I'm gonna hang out here a little bit more because this is far too much fun.